Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of photos not showing on Messenger app. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of photos not showing on Messenger app, you click on settings. In first you can click on apps and you click on Messenger app. Then you can click on Messenger app as you see and you enter. Here you can go to first step and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. And then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account. So please don't forget to support us, like and subscribe. See you next time.